English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A2. Field, hear, know. Field. Field is a noun. A2 learners usually know field. At A2, a field is an area of land used for growing crops or keeping animals. Here are some examples. They grow corn in this field. The animals are in one corner of the field. The farmer owns many fields here. Hear. Hear is a verb. A2 learners usually know hear. At A2, to hear is to listen to someone or something. Here are some examples. Please speak louder. I cannot hear you. He would like to hear you play the piano. She heard a podcast about how to sing better. Know. Know is a verb. A2 learners usually know know. At A2, to know is to be sure of something or to be able to do something. Here are some examples. Do you know how to play tennis? She knows a lot about making websites. They don't know if they should sign the paper or not. Now write some of your own sentences with field, hear and know. Download the free A2 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.